Okay, students, there is one small problem. Okay, so you can see different entrepreneurs, how these entrepreneurs are coming. This is a very interesting story about the different classification which has been created by the fashion. Of course, in conceptual side, there are different views regarding the classification of entrepreneurs. We used to call it as the business, trading, industry, corporate side, agriculture, retail, service, and social. All these classification you already clearly mentioned in your blog, even in agriculture. Now the agriculture is booming once again. Different methods of agriculture is coming and new technologies are also coming. Industrial entrepreneurs are very old concept. When the Infosys started in Bangalore, first time they used to identify the corporate entrepreneurs. How the Narayana Murthy created one, Nanda Nilgeni created the Infosys. I think you know the story from just 25,000 to 2,50,000 crores. These people created. So that is the basic classification. Another classification, we used to call it as first generation entrepreneurs. If you are commencing your business at the first instant, your parents are in a different field, you are diversified and you are starting, then it is called as the first generation entrepreneurs. Now we are aiming for innovation. If you are an innovative entrepreneur, you are able to survive. A new idea you have to introduce, either in the form of physical one or in online one. How the Kia has been introduced in India, that is the innovation they did. Classical entrepreneurs, they are called as the second generation entrepreneurs. They used to follow the concept of their own parents. That is the classical and inherited. Inherited, they won't change, but they are having different mindset. Say, for example, in case of Wipro, Hasim Premji is an example of classical entrepreneur. His father was doing the business. Premji also continues that business, but he changed later on based upon the concept and the new technology. That is why he is a classical entrepreneur. Inherited entrepreneurs means they will do same business. They won't change. Another thing, based upon the motivation, how you are going to create that one. Yeah, I wish to say about the spontaneous entrepreneurs during the COVID period. How the new entrepreneurs are suddenly coming. That is the spontaneous entrepreneurs. They used to create a new story and suddenly they are going to came into existence. COVID pandemic, new products are coming, even the mask, gloves, everything based upon the present level. They used to came into the power. Technical. If you are good in your knowledge, if you are having something new to dream, you are considered as the technical entrepreneur. But we are expecting professional entrepreneur. I think somebody mentioned clearly, their dream is clear, system is clear. I think Ivin. Ivin, are you there? In my view, if Ivin is able to come with her views clearly, she is considered as a professional entrepreneur because the system only speaks, not any other thing. So, but the Danoff, one of the famous entrepreneur author, he used to mention a different classification. We are going to see the classification given by the Danoff. He used to mention that Fabian entrepreneur. These persons who are respond to changes only if they face the problem of failure. Still, I remember in Karnataka, Fabian persons. First, when the government announced that you have to go for vaccination, most of the persons stated, no, no, we will never go for vaccination. If you are vaccinated for COVID, you will die. That is the concept. I came to know that one of the actor has been died after the vaccination. So people refused. So their lifestyle is in time of Fabian. Once the second wave becomes severe, then they thought that, oh, most of them are dying. We have to go for vaccination. That is the Fabian style. Same thing. Only if they face the problem, then only they will change. Till then, they never change. That is the Fabian type. Another is drone type. Drone type means they won't change. They will see about the others, what others are doing, but these people won't do. Like a drone. Their views is micro view. It is very difficult to change. So if you are having a drone type of thing, it is good in the beginning stage, but you have to find out how we can make the changes. Then only you are able to see. Here they have given a nice example in case of the cooperative department to make use of tobacco by hand because they never change. They will follow the traditional practice and mention as the sustainability, and they used to fix huge money. That is an interesting thing. Now you are saying that organic farming, organic manufacturing, all are once upon a time we faced. Now it is once again coming back. Some of them used to care that whether they are drone entrepreneurs, of course, they are drone entrepreneurs because they are going to follow the traditional method, but they are having a mindset to change. That is the drone entrepreneurs. And skeptical entrepreneurs, they will see the success of others. If opponent person is success, then they suddenly inherited that one. If some business is doing well, these people will enter into the scenario and they will make it a successful one. That is the concept of skeptical entrepreneurs. Usually everywhere. In case of restaurants, it is common thing. Most of the restaurant entrepreneurs are skeptical. They will see what others are doing nicely and they used to do that one. But they will change the concept. They won't do in the same manner. They will make some new changes by seeing the others. But copycat entrepreneurs, if a person is successful in Delhi, same business they will create in Bangalore. That is the copycat entrepreneur. Maybe the technology may be same, but they may have the vision in a different sense. In case of Delhi, it is different one. In case of Bangalore, they will see in a different position. But they may copy what others done. Research entrepreneurs, very interesting thing. They used to create something new and they used to project that one. But what we need at present, we need determined entrepreneurs. Whether you are able to achieve, that is the thing. If you are thinking in such a manner, it is the determined entrepreneurs. We can see some of the examples of the determined and accomplished entrepreneurs. You can see the Bill Gates example. We will discuss one day the case study of the Bill Gates also. He is having the vision. Of course, now his name is coming in a different style. We need not worry about the personal things of the Bill Gates, but how he accomplished and determined a person to create a Microsoft which changed the entire IT sector. See that one. How Bill Gates changed. You can see the Tesla founder Elon Musk. By the age of 24 itself, he created Tesla. See that one. How by the young age, the determined entrepreneurs are coming. So, dear students, we are going to see this person because they are all determined persons. Michael Dell, at the age of 21, around your age only, I am not telling the very old person. Of course, now they are old persons, but how far they are determined to do their business. Michael Dell started his own business by the age of 21. Now you can see the Dell, how it is dominating, how it creates a brand name. Another one, you can see Mark Zuckerberg, how the Mark changed the Facebook story, how he created an innovative solution. That is the power. If you want to change it through the social media, now you are able to change. But everything has been given by another person. That is the determination. Everybody says, no, this won't work. It will work only in US. It won't work even in Canada. So most of them used to mention, but Mark did it. Likewise, for the online, eBay founder, Pierre. In those days, we never thought about online selling, but how he used the power of determination and accomplished a new type of business in online. First business in is the eBay. For the online business, how the Bill Gates changed. You see the Bill Gates story. By the age of 16, as a dropout, he started his business. Think about your age and Bill Gates' age when they are starting the business. Yahoo founder. By the age of 25 itself, he created the email, commercialized that one. See that one, in those times, there was no commercialization. Yahoo was the first one to commercialize everywhere. Then only the Google. See that one, by the age of 25, they have achieved their power because of their determination. You can see the SoftBank. They are providing more funds to everybody, and they are giving funds to the startup by the age of 24 itself. The SoftBank concept has been created, and they made as a millionaire. They are making millionaire. They made as a millionaire. They are making the millionaire also. Alibaba. Of course, his age is slightly high when he started his business, 29. Of course, now he faced a number of problems in China. But by the age of 25, after studying English, he entered into China. Then he started his business. We discussed how professional was Google. Larry Page at the age of 25. You can see that one. They are only the classmates, but they used to create a Google. Now, everywhere we are depending upon Google. I think for examination purpose, if there's a question, you are simply Google it and find out the answer nicely. See that one. But the idea came to this person by the age of 25. Of course, in case of Oracle, the age is 72. A new IT domain has been created by the dropout students from the college. Steve Jobs, the Apple. How it is created, that one, of course, no more. But by the age of 21, he created a new method, a new product, which everybody was able to enter into that one. Jeff Bezos, the Amazon, how it is dominating throughout the world. See that one, by the age of 30, he introduced the book selling in online, but later on, now it is everywhere. Now his aim is different. You can see the Blue Origin. The same Jeff Bezos created the Blue Origin. He created the New Shepard rocket, which is going to fly today in American time. Blue Origin aim. How he is determined, how innovative he is, not only in Amazon, but the Blue Origin. How he is going to create a new space flight. Coming to Indian side, Ritesh Agarwal, when he started the Oyo. Of course, later on he faced the problem as the challenge, but Oyo was the first organization to integrate the travel and tourism industry. Our classical style, Dhirubhai Ambani. You might have seen the film acted by Abhishek Bachchan, Guru, which has been replica of the Dhirubhai Ambani. What were the struggles they faced in those periods? But how they overcome? These are all the pure entrepreneurs. Risk-taking ability is moving in an innovation style. Then how you are able to manage that one? Till now, Ratan Tata. How the Ratan Tata is creating the business even during the COVID period, the PP kits is supplied. Immediately the Tata industries have been turned. In the second wave of COVID, most of the oxygen shortage have been solved by the Tata groups. He converted some of the industries immediately to make the oxygen cylinders. He supplied. See that one. That is the entrepreneurial mindset even by this age. However, they started in very young age, but even by this age, the Narayana Murthy of Infosys. Even today's newspaper, there's an interesting news about him. How Narayana Murthy is going to help the others in case of Amazon business. See that one. How new entrepreneurs are emerging. In case of India, all are old persons, but in the young stage itself, they created. In case of Asim Premji, he came out of Stanford University and started doing his father business. Then he identified there's something potential in IT industry. He
Sir,
started.
time up, sir.
Yes, Ba. Welcome. Like another group is the Lakshmi Mittal group, Aircel group, sorry, Airtel group. How the Lakshmi Mittal created a new story by acquiring the stainless steel from other countries, very old style, Varghese Korean of Amul. He started as an entrepreneur, but he achieved as an entrepreneur. Another Indian style for old age, Anand Mahendra group. How Anand Mahindra created new value for the vehicle and the business. So, dear students, based upon these type of entrepreneurs, Shivanadar, that you know that one, Mittal Groups, Bharti Enterprise, who are called the successful entrepreneurs. It is the type of entrepreneurs will decide whether he will be successful or not. But only the trades will know clearly whether they are determined or not. Once you are able to dream, when you can convert your dream into reality, if you are able to do, you are the successful entrepreneur. For that purpose, you must know clearly where we can start. That is why you have studied. Whether you are a drone entrepreneur or Fabian entrepreneur or classical one, but by this age, you should have a dream. You are able to convert your dream into a real business. With this, we will complete today's class. Next class, we will see the entrepreneurial mindset. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.